old 17. I was just a little shy. Whatever. And back then, a little unknown, frizzy-haired man that had a very loud mouth came to another radio station, not Class X, because we love Class X. I'm listening to Class X. Heck yeah. Clean it up, Greg. Wildman Walker came up and he just brought us in under his wing, and it didn't smell very well either. Thank you.
Actually brought us to the billboard.
That's right. He brought us. That's right, to the billboard. We simulcast. We had been on EBN for quite some time, off and on, and Wildman has probably given us hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars of free publicity. I saw on Willie's show they were making fun of the. I know, and they were referring back to an Annie's time. I don't know if anybody ever heard of Annie's. Oh, I could tell even more jokes about that with your parents chewing in the corn. Wildman would come up, and absolutely every Friday night, what are you doing, Wildman? Going to see my boys, Prizoner. Every Friday, loved it. Thank you so much. And he is a member of the family, the Prisoner family, absolutely. You getting bass? There we go.
Thank you.
There we go. So let's bring him out of retirement. It's been a little while. I said, let's get it up there, man. We got thousands of people. We're gonna have a beautiful night. He was ready to go. He was ready to go. Wildman Walker. I don't know what he's gonna do. Oh, his favorite of all time. Everybody, the Wildman! Hey!
Best